Alright guys, let's take a look at this channel's experiment. What they did was they electrified and charged up these two containers of oil.
Удивление, когда я сделал то же самое с маслом. Оно тонкой струей переливалось из одного стакана в другой, прямо по воздуху. Он прямо перелетает через бортик второго стакана и залетает там чуть дальше. Попробовал чуть побольше. Когда я повысил напряжение, мостики стали делиться. Оно уже через верх пробивает. Заземленная отвертка притягивает к себе струю, а пластмассовая ручка почти не влияет.
And so when I see that, I just imagine the same type of thing happening if these planets are getting too close to each other. I can envision these so-called bridges of matter going back and forth. And I think about all of the basalt rock we have laying around in places where it shouldn't be. And the scientists will tell you, well, the volcanoes that were responsible for all that basalt rock, that rock field there, they simply have eroded away. But if that is the case, how can an entire volcano erode away and yet the rock is still there? So it's a hard pill to swallow. And here we see some Peratt instabilities. And then when I see this kind of thing, I can't help but think of the Peratt instability. And so I think it's far more likely that the ancients drew their petroglyphs on specifically these types of rocks because they knew that they had come from the sky. And when you look at what type of rock is Mars composed of, it's mostly composed of basalt rock. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good night.